In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock departs for India at the head of an official delegation to expand bilateral cooperation in agriculture and livestock. The head of the National Disaster Preparedness Authority meets with President of International Committee of the Red Cross in Afghanistan. And more than 70 people killed and injured in Russia's missile and drone attacks on Ukraine. Welcome to Urooj Daily Brief News Package. It's Tuesday, the 21st of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 16th of Sultan 1405, and the 7th of July 2026. The news details. Maulavi Hayatullah Omari, the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, has departed for India at the head of an official delegation to strengthening bilateral cooperation and agriculture. Welcome to Urooj Daily Brief News Package. It's Tuesday, the 21st of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 16th of Sultan 1405, and the 7th of July 2026. The news details. Maulavi Hayatullah Omari, the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, has departed for India at the head of an official delegation to strengthening bilateral cooperation in agriculture and livestock sectors. During the visit, discussions are expected to focus on expanding agricultural cooperation, exchanging expertise, promoting modern agricultural technologies, and enhancing collaboration in export and import of agricultural products. Mullah Nuruddin Trabi, the head of the National Disaster Preparedness Authority, met with Yohannes Brower, the head of International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC in Afghanistan. The two sides discussed expanding cooperation in disaster management, humanitarian assistance and strengthening coordination, and providing greater support to communities affected by natural humanitarian disasters. The news continuation. The Minister of Public Health has announced that it convened a meeting with international health partners at the National Emergency Operations Center for Polio Eradication (NEOC). Participants emphasized improving the implementation of polio vaccination campaigns, increasing immunization coverage, and sustaining joint efforts to prevent the spread of polio virus. And ultimately, based on Associated Press citing Ukrainian officials, Russia has launched a large-scale barrage of missile and drone targeting several areas across Ukraine. Ukrainian authorities stated that the attack killed at least 22 people and injured another 56 in areas surrounding the capital, Kiev. The news conclusion. Thank you for being with us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.